Hi everybody, this is Amy here coming to you from the McAllen Public Library Teen Department with an exclusive episode of STEAM Sunday. In this video, I will show you how to make your own marble run using whatever you have at home and have a competition with my friend Leslie to see whose marble run is the best. In this STEAM video, we use vital skills such as engineering, critical thinking skills, and basic knowledge of physics to assemble our boxes. The materials we use to make our marble run includes cardboard for the foundation and to cut into strips, a cereal box that we also cut into strips, paper towel or toilet paper rolls, cups, duct tape, scissors, and our imagination. You can use things like pool noodles to make your tracks or anything else that you can think of that maybe we didn't use. So now, Leslie's going to show you how to make our tracks.
So here are the materials we use to make our tracks, and here's our cereal box that we have already cut up. We've measured about 2 inches for each one, and we also used paper towel roll, which you can cut up and make it into like a little track like this, or you can just use it fully like a tunnel. And here's our ball. We didn't have any marbles, but we used ping pong ball, so depending on the size of your ball, you can change the size of your tracks. So once you have cut your cereal box into strips or your cardboard, you turn over your piece, and we used the ruler to measure out in the middle where we were going to fold our pieces. So the ruler is about 1 inch, so all you'd have to really do is measure 1 inch and then follow it down the line. But we thought it was easier to do this, and as you can see, we already have some red lines, and we just followed the sides of the ruler. And so then you're just gonna fold the sides where you put your lines. And it should look like this. And there you have it. And then all you have to do is duct tape it onto your foundation. So here are our finished tracks, and now we're just going to cut out some piece of tape, which I already have put on the side. And let's see how this works. You're going to tape it right here on the side. Get as much of it as you can. And let's put it at an angle, so maybe here, and tape it down. Make sure it's really folded, so that when your ball rolls on here, it doesn't just fall off. Okay, so we'll take our next piece, and let's have it sit there. Let me get my tape. And tape it about here. So here's our finished product. Let's see how it works. Awesome. So now you can test your trajectories when you place your next track and get creative with it.
Now for the fun part. Let us show you what we have created here at the library.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's special STEAM Sunday Marble Run competition. Introducing our competitors, we have Amy in this corner with her gumball machine, and in the other corner we have Leslie with her side-scroller castle. Based on creativity, durability, and architecture, whose creation will beat the clock and last longer. Starting with Amy's gumball machine, let's take it from the top. Her ball has dropped, her clock has started, and my, what a pace that ball has. Smart choice with the styrofoam cups for the turns. Get to the final drop. Here it comes to the paper towel tunnel ending and into its finish line cup. I don't know about you, but I think we already have a winner.
Now our other competitor has taken a different approach to their tracks. The ball has dropped and already it's zooming down the lanes. Oh, first turn already, and it makes back around safe and ready for the first drop. There it goes, and it makes the jump. And now it's going for another sharp turn. Well, look at that. It stayed on course. Now it's coasting along the backside of the board. And wow, another successful turn as it makes its way to the finish. Well, there you have it, folks. What a ride!
Thanks to everyone for watching this week's special Steam Sunday video. Now it's up to you to decide who wins and which marble run you liked best. Get creative with your own marble run and see if you can top off our competitors' tracks. Share your pictures and videos by tagging us at MPL Teens and connect with MPL. And tune in next week for another Steam Sunday video. Bye!